What up everyone, this is Motutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to optimize your internet settings for lower ping and no or low delay, right? So let's get right into this. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you quick things that you can do. The first thing you should do is go to your search bar, type in CMD, right click into this and run as administrator. In here, we're going to run two commands. The first one is ipconfig /flush DNS to basically successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the second one is going to be netsh winsock reset to basically successfully, oh, I think I spelled it wrong. Oops, I did it again. Reset. So we're going to basically successfully reset the winsock catalog, as you can see I just did. This one you need to restart the computer. So once you restart the computer, the next thing you're going to do to get rid of the lag, basically to have better settings, is go back to your search bar and type in network connections. So network connections until you see this like 4 computer thingies pop up here. In here, we're going to right click into whatever you're connected into. So if you're connected via Wi-Fi, right click there. If you're connected via Ethernet, right click there, and then go to properties. Click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click into properties, then change where it says the DNS server address automatic is going to be selected here to the second one, which is use the following DNS server addresses, and change it to 1.1.1 and set alternate or secondary to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, restart your computer again. Try now, and you should be good to go and have the more better and up-to-date settings. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please press on. Guys, and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. More tutorials out. Peace.